Hi everybody, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial where we will build a complete portfolio website using WordPress and the Divi theme. By the end of this video, you'll have a modern, clean and mobile-friendly portfolio website to showcase your work, whether you are a designer, photographer, developer or freelancer. To follow along, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. You'll also need access to the Divi theme. We've placed a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. Let's begin. First, we need to set up WordPress. If you don't already have a hosting account, choose a hosting provider that supports one-click WordPress installs. Most major providers like SiteGround, Bluehost or Hostinger have this feature. Once your hosting account is set up, go to your hosting dashboard and look for the WordPress installation option. Follow the steps to install WordPress on your domain. Choose your site name, admin username and password. After the setup finishes, you'll be able to log into your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Log in using the credentials you just created. Now that we're inside WordPress, let's install the Divi theme. You need to have an Elegant Themes account to download the Divi theme. You can find a link in the description to create an account and get access to Divi. After logging in to your Elegant Themes account, download the Divi theme zip file to your computer. Now return to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. At the top, click Add New. Then click Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. Now, Divi is active on your website. Next, we'll clean up the site and prepare it for customization. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages. Delete any sample pages that are already there. Then go to Posts and delete the default Hello World post. Finally, go to Appearance and then Widgets and remove any unwanted widgets like archives or categories. Now it's time to create the pages for your portfolio site. We'll create 3 basic pages: Home, Portfolio and Blog. Go to Pages and click Add New. Title this page Home and then on the right side, under Template, choose the blank page template so that Divi can take full control of the layout. Click Publish. Repeat this for the portfolio page and the blog page. For the blog page, you can leave the template as default. Now go to Settings, then Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. For the home page, choose Home. For the Posts page, choose Blog. Save your changes. We'll also set up the menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus. Give your menu a name, like Main Menu, and click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes for all 5 pages we created and click Add to Menu. Drag the items into the order you want. Then, under Menu Settings, check the box for Primary Menu. Save the menu. Now, we'll begin designing using Divi. Go to the Pages section and click Edit under the Home page. Click the purple button that says Use Divi Builder. You'll be presented with 3 options: Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone existing page. Let's choose Browse Layouts. Divi comes with hundreds of pre-built layout packs designed for portfolios, freelancers, photographers, and more. Use the search bar to find a layout pack that fits your style. For example, search Portfolio and explore the layout packs available. Click on a layout pack and you'll see previews of each page in the pack. Choose the Home layout and click Use this layout. Divi will now load the layout onto your home page. This may take a few seconds. Once loaded, you can customize everything. Click on text to edit it. Click on images to change them. Use the Divi Builder controls to add or delete sections, rows, and modules. Let's walk through the main parts. Each page is made up of sections, which are divided into rows, and inside each row are modules. To edit a headline, click the settings icon on the text module. Replace the default text with your own. Click the green checkmark to save. To replace an image, click on the Image module settings, then click on the image itself. upload your own file or choose from the media library. You can customize fonts, colors, spacing, and more by clicking the Design tab inside any module. Let's do the same for the portfolio page. Edit the portfolio page, use Divi Builder, and load the portfolio layout from the same layout pack. Customize it by adding your projects. To add portfolio items, use the image or gallery module, or even a filterable portfolio module that Divi provides. Click on each module to change the text, add links to your project pages, and upload screenshots. If you want to create individual project pages, you can add new pages and link them from your portfolio. Click the module to edit the fields. You can choose which fields to include, like name, email, subject, and message. Set up your email address in the Email tab so you can receive messages from your visitors. You can also embed a Google Map using the Map module. Enter your address or coordinates in the settings. Let's not forget the blog page. The blog page uses the default blog template. If you want to use Divi to customize it, go to the WordPress dashboard, then Divi, then Theme Builder. Click Add New Template and assign it to All Blog Pages. Then click Add Custom Body and Build Custom Body. This opens the Divi Builder. Click Build from scratch. Add a section, then a row, and then search for the blog module. The blog module lets you display your recent posts in a grid or list format. You can choose how many posts to show, display featured images, show the date, and more. Customize the layout and style to match the rest of your website. Once done, save the layout and exit. In the top right, click Save Changes in the Theme Builder. Now we'll set the global styles. Go to Divi, then Theme Options. Here you can upload your logo, set your favicon, and adjust some performance settings. Next, go to Divi, then Theme Customizer. In this section, you can control site-wide settings like fonts, colors, and header layout. Use the Global Colors feature to set your brand colors. These will be available throughout the Divi Builder for easy consistency. Now, your site is almost ready. Before launching, check how your site looks on mobile. Divi has responsive editing options. In the Divi Builder, click the device icon to preview how your layout looks on tablet and phone. Adjust spacing and font sizes if needed. Also, test your site on a few browsers to make sure everything works correctly. To add a call to action, use the Call to Action module. Place it at the bottom of the home page or About page to encourage visitors to contact you or view your work. You can also add a newsletter form using the Email Opt-in module, which connects with popular services like MailChimp. Finally, go to Settings, then General, and set your site title and tagline. When you're ready to go live, remove any Coming Soon plugin if you used one, and your site is now public. Congratulations! You've created a full portfolio website using WordPress and the Divi theme. Everything from the layout to the content is fully in your control, and you can always return to the Divi Builder to update or expand your site. If you haven't already, use the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.